Nevada is known as the quickie divorce capital, a reputation earned decades ago. But for the wealthy, the key rule isn't speed. It's that Nevada has no legal cap on alimony. This gives judges immense power to set support based on the marital standard of living. The 6-week residency rule still stands, but it opens the door to immense financial entanglements. Here's what to expect, from dividing vast fortunes to the pitfalls that can cost millions. First, Nevada is a community property state. Nearly everything acquired during marriage is owned 50-50. But what does that mean for a business empire? Separate property is yours from before marriage. Community property is everything else. The conflict begins in defining which is which. But assets don't stay in one box. A premarital business grown with marital funds becomes a mixed character asset, making a 50-50 split difficult. How do you price a private company or a crypto portfolio? And who decides if that number's fair? The answer is the foundation of the entire financial fight. You don't. A team of specialists does. These cases require forensic accountants and business appraisers to correctly value the estate. So, a 50-50 rule gets blurred by mixed assets and depends entirely on specialist-led valuations. Now you'll see why this valuation process is the main battlefield. How do you value these assets? Contentiously. The valuation of a single-family business can become the most disputed part of the entire divorce. Each side hires their own professionals to produce a valuation. One may say a business is worth $5 million, or another $15 million. This is a strategic battle. This specialist-driven process is why these divorces take so long. The fight is not over the 50-50 rule, but the value of the 100% being divided. Disputing value is one thing, but what happens when a spouse tries to hide assets? The case then shifts from a financial dispute to a legal investigation. Hiding assets is an illegal attempt to shrink the community property pie. This might mean offshore accounts or diverting business income before it's on the books. Forensic accountants act as financial detectives. They perform lifestyle analyses to check if spending matches income and trace money to find hidden funds. Example 1. A business owner prepays vendors who refund the cash after the divorce is final. Example 2. Using an LLC to buy a vacation property, making it look like a business asset. Example 3. Buying hard-to-trace assets like rare coins or moving funds to anonymous crypto wallets. Getting caught has severe outcomes. A Nevada judge can award more assets to the honest spouse, force the guilty party to pay all legal fees, or even impose fines. The stakes in court are incredibly high. Is there a method to avoid this public fight? For many high-net-worth individuals, the answer is yes. High-profile divorces are public. Financial documents and professional reports can become accessible. For the wealthy, this absence of privacy is a massive risk. This is why many choose mediation or collaborative divorce. These private talks keep financial details out of the public record and can be less costly than a trial. A prenuptial agreement can alter the rules entirely, but it can be challenged if there wasn't full financial disclosure or if signed under duress. Advanced tools like Nevada Asset Protection Trusts can shield property. The catch: moving community assets into one without spousal consent is illegal concealment. Understanding the legal rules and financial strategies is critical, but one common misstep can still sabotage even the best legal plan. Recall the uncapped alimony from the start? That rule creates a powerful motive. When spousal support is limitless, the temptation to hide assets gets stronger. Think back to mixed character assets. A mistake here isn't just about the 50-50 division. Improperly splitting a business can trigger huge capital gains taxes. Nevada's reputation was built on a simple 6-week residency. The modern truth is that the financial groundwork means these cases can last for years. All these legal, financial, and strategic difficulties point to one major vulnerability. So let's answer that final question. The biggest mistake is letting emotion guide financial decisions. Fighting over minor assets out of spite can rack up legal fees that exceed the asset's value. So, what to expect? A fight over what is community property, a battle of specialists over valuation, and the constant threat of hidden assets. Nevada's history and its laws, like uncapped alimony, create a high-stakes setting where the details are immense. Success demands strategic financial planning. If you face this situation, the takeaway is clear. Do not underestimate the difficulty. Assemble your legal and financial team early and be strategic.